Hi, and welcome to a bite-sized tutorial. In my last tutorial I talked about moving with DOTween, and today I will be going through the basics of rotating. DOTween is available for free on the Asset Store, so make sure to install it if you haven't already. The link is in the description. I'll start off by creating a script called rotate and attaching it to my donut here. In the top here, let's type using dg.tweening. As usual, I'll remove the update method since we don't need it, and in the start method I'll type transform.doRotate. Choose which of all the options best suits your needs, but for this tutorial I'll use doRotate, which will allow me to rotate on all the axes. Here, the first parameter is actually not a quaternion, but a vector 3. I'm going to rotate on both the x-axis as well as the y-axis, so I'll create a new vector 3 and set both the x and the y-axis to 360. The second parameter is the duration, which I'll set to 5 seconds. The third one is the rotation mode, and for this fast beyond 360 is perfect. Looking at this now, you can see the donut rotating. However, we don't want it to stop, so let's set it to loop. The first parameter in set loops is the number of loops we want, and a value of -1 makes the object loop forever. As for the loop type, we want it to restart once it has rotated at 360 degrees. Let's also set the tween to be relative with set relative. This will essentially calculate the end value as start value plus the end value and rotate by the value instead of rotating to it. In my case it doesn't really matter, since the rotation is set to 0 on all axes, but if say the y-axis was set to 90, the tween would go from 90 to 360 and then restart. Setting it to relative will make it rotate by 90 plus 360. Now this doesn't look right, but it's because of its easing. We want it to be linear, so let's set the easing, and from the list here we can choose linear. And now the rotation is smooth. Let's quickly do some more with this, maybe add some movement. If you're unsure about how to move an object, make sure to watch my tutorial on that. I want to move my donut between 5 and -5 on the z-axis. I'll start by setting its position to -5. Now I'll just simply do a transform.doMove, set the z-axis to 5 on my vector 3 and the duration to 5. I'll set it to loop forever with yo-yo and set the easing to in-out sign. With just a few lines of code, we now have a donut both moving and rotating. Both the movement script and this rotation script are available on my GitHub page, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.